Hi. Today I'm gonna be doing. Okay, let me stop right this out. Like I don't know y'all. Like we don't know each other. Like, bro, come on. I'm gonna do some new shit. I'm telling you, I be watching these videos all the time on YouTube. I be watching Peyton and them, and they always doing some fried cooking, bro. And I'm already fried, and I'm already finna cook, so I might as well just bring y'all along with me. I'm sorry I don't have my tripod, but yeah, I always be leaving it. So definitely when I get it back, it's gonna be a lot better camera angles. But for now, wait, y'all want the light on? This is better. I feel like this is better. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna cook some honey sesame chicken with the peppers in it, with some rice and some of these. Ooh, I just noticed when it be fried. And look, one day
as I promise, like, and even it's a
one day I do low-key want to make this from scratch, but I kind of don't really need to now because I already have these chicken chunks, and this is fire.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, why have I low-key missed like creating? Like I just feel like I fell off. Oh my gosh. Yo, why would you even leave this? I don't even want this shit no more. Like, I'm actually irritated. Like, why? Let me go through these sauces and see what we got. Cause now I gotta get back to y'all because I definitely thought it would be more fucking sauce than that.
Shit getting out of hand.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna actually make some honey garlic sauce because I think that'll be good with the chicken. So now I'm just gonna cut up the veggies and shit. What I'm gonna throw in there so I can just like soften these. Ooh, but low key, I'm fried though, so I think I'm gonna cut some of this cheese. Like, ooh, I just know this would be so fucking good, bruh. I know this cheese is gonna be fire, and I got some strawberries. We literally finna do a ratatouille taste test for y'all right now. Hold on, we need to pause the cooking real quick. Damn, I forgot cheese be hard as fuck to cut through. Okay. So we got a good piece of cheese. Damn, it's a big piece of cheese, okay. This is my old 3 flow. And I'm hanging out the window. So we got some options. We got some cotton candy grapes. And we got some strawberries. So I need to taste test this cheese first. Gotta be a nice piece that's just gonna shoot the flavors in your mouth. Pause. That's hitting.
Nice.
Are y'all ready for this? Okay.
But combine one flavor with another, and something new was created.
Nigga. Okay, now we're gonna do some grapes. That was okay. Now we're gonna cut up our bell pepper. We're gonna cut up our bell pepper and our green onion. I think I'm gonna just like do kind of big cubes because I don't think they put strips in there. So yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all! You know what's crazy? Low key, I feel like I have so many people on my channel. Like, I mean, I deleted some videos, but I have like a lot of videos with people because I feel like it's hard for my personality to just show when I'm by myself. Like, I'm actually funny as fuck, for real. And I'm artsy. I love a good garnish will really like make your dish go up, for real. Okay, I have me some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle that in there. Wait for that to heat up. Then I can throw my veggies in there. Yeah. Yeah, well, I feel like I'm really like a Panda Express type nigga. Like, I feel like I am them. It's got like, you hear me? Oh, I can't wait to eat. Oh my gosh. It's fried. Okay, this is what we got right now. I wonder if I should season this. Like, but then like the sauce kind of be doing the work. So, and it's kind of supposed to be sweet. Okay, let me taste it and see if we should season it. Alright, we got some jasmine rice. I'm gonna throw that on real quick. Turn this off so y'all can't hear me. I got some jasmine rice, so I'm gonna throw this on real quick. I always be doing that though. Damn, hold on, I gotta clean this. I'm tweaking. Oh, that should be good. Wash your rice. Wash your rice. Wash it. You got to wash your rice. Is this ASMR for y'all? Like, are y'all hearing this? This water? I got chicken. I was gonna get pork, but I'm like, I don't know if pork is gonna be good. So I got chicken. So I got chicken. Chicken. Hold on, why I'm looking on above? Hold on. Hold on, why I'm looking like a. I can't wait to edit this, low-key. Like, I be having so much fun editing because I just always be using my beams. This is so fun. Oh, I'm low-key. Also, when I get my tripod back, I'm gonna start a series of me just painting or drawing memes because I know there's people out here who really just like fuck with that for real. My bad. I don't know why sometimes Carisha be coming out of me. Hey, how y'all doing?
Okay.
Niggas, give me heebie-jeebies. Yes.
Niggas give me heebie-jeebies.
Niggas, give me heebie-jeebies. Niggas, give me heebie-jeebies. And I ain't gonna lie, that's like a rite of passage. Like that was something that should be in history books. That's like a really good motivational quote because sometimes niggas do in fact give me heebie-jeebies as well. So it's like if I could relate on such a deep personal level, is it wrong? I'm just asking. I'm just putting that. Thank you for being. I'm not judging you. I love you. Thank you for being here and watching me. But I'm just saying, like, I just related to that on such a deep personal level. So, like, it's not wrong. Niggas do be out giving heebie-jeebies. Like, I'm trolling, bro. I'm just putting a random amount. Oh, that's hot. Oh, shit. It's hot. I just put like a random amount of water in here. Am I tweaking? Niggas be fried. And then I can't fucking. My bad. I might be tweaking a little bit. My bad. So, how are you? How was your day going? Hey. Feeling normal. Wonderful day outside. Am I right? I think so. That. These are so good. Okay, I'm gonna throw some in here. Please, calm down. Oh my gosh, don't pop. Do better, ho.
Here comes the hurricane, bitch. Here comes the hurricane, bitch. Here comes the
Bruh, my cooking is so lucky. Like, look at this girl play. Look at this girl play. Oh, shit. Look at that play, y'all. Let me show y'all. Like, bruh. Man. Look at that shit, bruh. She lucky, bruh. Damn. What you finna try first? The chicken? That's about yellow bell pepper. Okay, it's later. I never say bye to y'all whenever I be in my videos. I just be in them. So I had to come officially back to say bye. And I'll see you next time. Like,